Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Cheaper. The song is Chicago style. The artist is Carmichael Music Lover, and the choreographer is Be Love. If you or someone you know is located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And last but not least, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans next year, the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend, July 7th through the 10th, 2022. To get all the details, to register, and to book your room, please go to www.lmiunol.com. So guys, let's go. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July 7th through the 10th, 2022. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.